Once, a family of rabbits decided to make a house for themselves. So, they got some hay and started building a new home. But one day, a big, bad wolf came along. He saw the rabbit's house. Bad that he was, he blew hard at the house. The house was very light, and so got blown away. The rabbits were sad. Now, they decided to make a house of wood. So they got some wood and started building their house again. The bad wolf found the rabbit's house again. He broke the house by hitting it with his paws. The poor rabbits were very afraid. They ran away. The rabbits thought for a long time. They wanted to make a strong house. So they decided to make a burrow in the ground. The wolf came along. He tried long and hard to break the burrow, but the ground was very hard. The rabbits were safe and sound inside their cozy burrow. The wolf became very tired and angry, but there was nothing he could do to break the burrow. The little rabbits made fun of the unhappy wolf. At last the wolf went away. The rabbits were very happy. They danced merrily.